Ever freeze up when someone asks, "So, what do you do?" It's one of the most common moments where confidence disappears and rambling takes over. Let's fix that right now with help from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste in this prompt. Write a 3-line elevator pitch that includes who I help, the result they get, and why they should trust me. Now I just add a few quick details about my business and hit enter. And here it is. A short, powerful confidence pitch I can use anywhere, from networking events to DMs to my social bio. It's clear, specific, and it actually sounds like me. If you want help owning your value and communicating your message clearly and confidently every time, the Confidence Challenge gives you prompts and coaching tools to help you show up authentically and make a strong impression. You'll find the link down below, but first, go try that prompt. It's your story. Let's help you tell it powerfully.